How you doing? I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, going over some laundry tips. What I've got is a 2.2 cubic foot Whirlpool compact washer and dryer set. This unit is used in apartment buildings, townhouses, condominiums, as well as single family residential units where space is at a premium. Closets, bathrooms, things like that. What I've got is a pile of clothes illustrating how much laundry we should put in at any given point. We never want to overload any front load machine or any top load machine. We have a tendency to overload our dishwashers and our washers. And what's happened is, with our high efficiency machines, it's actually causing a lot of problems between pump issues, between struts, door issues, and other things. But what I've got is a pile of clothes, and I'm going to illustrate showing approximately what the maximum load is we want to put in at the machine at any given point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load these up, and I'm going to show there's a little bit of room inside the machine, a little bit of room at the top, and then there's going to be a little room right around the stainless steel tub area. So what it's going to do is it's going to allow our door to close properly so as not to damage our door mechanism, but also it's going to keep it away from this boot seal. Because if we get clothes in this boot seal area, ultimately what it'll do, it'll cause the machine not to fully seal, which can cause leaking out the front, or what it can do is it can allow small items to get through this boot seal, whether they be socks or handkerchiefs or bras or things like that. And where our pump is that'll actually capture all that is behind this particular toe kit on this particular machine. And a lot of the washers have a clean out, which is right here. This is where small items will end up. You know, if you were to leave coins or barrettes or miscellaneous things in your pockets, this is where it ends up. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that when we do load our machine, we check our pockets, pull them inside out, make sure there's nothing left, because it will damage the machine and cause the machine to stop. And there's nothing worse than a washing machine that stops right when you're trying to get ready for work the next day. Another thing I want to go over on a front load machine is the amount of soap we use. What we've got is we've got this clear cap full of 2 to 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. This is high efficiency detergent designed specifically for high efficiency machines. We have top loaders as well as front loaders that are high efficiency. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we pour it in the proper area which says HE detergent. And then if we do have fabric softener, we want to make sure that the fabric softener gets put in this area, but we're going to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of fabric softener, but we're going to make sure to dilute it with water, because if this does not get diluted, the fabric softener that is, we could have a mold issue in our soap cup and ultimately have a mold issue in the machine, which causes odors. And odors are a big problem on any machine right now. So keep in mind 2 to 3 tablespoons of detergent, dilute your fabric softener, and you should have many problem-free loads with really any front loader. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at Don's